Yo, what's good, bro? In this video, I'll tell you everything I wish I knew when I was first trying to quit social media. So first, I'll show you my screen time because no one fucking does this. And my mentor tells me that I should do that. So I'm not sure if you can see. Fuck, you can't see jack shit, can you? Anyway, this is my screen time. Come on now. I'll just I don't scroll at all on my PC. Like I don't watch anything. I don't watch YouTube. I don't watch like movies or TV shows or anything like that. And the reason why it's black and white is because I have it in black and white. Um, so yeah, that should be pretty good. I went over a bunch of stuff there. So yeah, again, in this video, I'll go over everything that I wish I knew when I was first trying to quit my phone about 7-8 months ago, and I haven't scrolled since like 7-8 months ago. So yeah, the first piece of advice that I would give myself is just slow down, bro. This shit takes time, bro. Look around yourself. Like you see, your brother is scrolling, your sister scrolling, your family is scrolling, like your mom, your dad, all your friends are scrolling. You go onto the train, you go onto the bus, everyone is scrolling, bro. You need to change your life so much to the point that you become the weird guy. Like this is a big shift. It's not like something that happens on this within the span of like I don't fucking know, like 2 days, bro. This shit takes time. Like I don't know why no one talks about it taking time, because it truly is like you need to change your entire perception of yourself. You need to change your identity for you to actually be able to reduce your screen time to such an extent. And yeah, another thing is like it just like takes a lot of tries. Like it takes a lot of trial and error. I tried for 3 years. If you can hear like my chair like creaking, I'm sorry about that. It's really loud. But it took me like 3 years of constant trial and error. I did the whole dopamine detox shit. It didn't work. I tried that like 2-3 times. I did the whole like, oh, I'm gonna text a friend every single day, and I'm gonna give my sister X amount of money every single time, something shit like that, bro. And it never worked. It never worked. Like it was all like, it was like putting a band-aid on a wound or something like that. It didn't fix the problem. It just didn't make it visible for a little bit, and then when you took the band-aid off, you could like, oh shit, it didn't change nothing. Or maybe that's a bad analogy, because like I think like band-aids actually like keep out bacteria and shit like that. Anyway, so another thing is like, oh yeah, I was supposed to pitch you my product there, on it taking a lot of tries on your own. If you click on the first link in the description, that's like my program, and I will force you to go from the position that you're in right now to not a scroller at all. And yeah, it's basically like guaranteed, and I help you like cut away all of the misleading paths that you could go down when you're trying to reduce your screen time. So the next advice that I wish I knew when I was first trying to quit social media is the onion mindset. What is the onion mindset? So if you could imagine like an onion, right? This onion represents all your bad screen time. Each layer of the onion is not the amount of screen time. It is the activity that you're doing that is bad within the screen time. So for example, an activity could be, for example, scrolling TikTok. It could be scrolling short form content. It could be watching TV shows. It could be watching movies. It could be whatever else, like watching Mr. Beast YouTube videos. It could be playing Among Us. It's just the activity in and of itself. Fuck, I'm sorry, I'm looking to the side. I have like my screen up. Maybe I should just remove this so I can't see myself. There you go. It's like all of these activities that takes up all of your bad screen time. And what you want to do is you want to try and slowly peel back each layer of this onion instead of just trying to swallow the entire onion, which obviously you can't do because you average like at least 4 hours of wasted time every single day, bro. That's a humongous onion, bro. Some people average like 12 hours a day, bro. Imagine trying to swallow like 12 hours wasted over the past, 10 years of your life, bro. Bro, you can't swallow that shit, bro. So just take it one layer at a time. Slowly peel back the layer. Slowly change your identity. Slowly step into the new version of yourself. So that's like kind of the onion method, and it's just looking at screen time as something where you slowly peel it back instead of something where you just cut it out immediately. Because with the onion method, it's very apparent that it's like you can't swallow the entire onion, right? We're not that disciplined, right? Some old guys who weren't never really addicted to social media, they might have scrolled a bit of Facebook or whatever. They were never really addicted like we were. So they might be able to just, oh yeah, I just deleted Facebook and then I wasn't addicted anymore. Bro, man to man, honest to honest, bro. You know that if you deleted TikTok or Instagram or whatever is the big problem for you, you would go onto the browser and you would just start scrolling from there, bro. I've been there. You'd just go onto your PC and start scrolling from there. You go to the TV, like your Google Home or whatever it's called. You just start scrolling from there, bro. You go to the refrigerator. You'll figure out, oh yeah, it has a smart screen, and then you'll figure out how to fucking scroll from that, bro. You will find a way on how you can like get to your addiction, because we're that kind of person. That's just how we are, bro. So the old people advice is like, oh yeah, just delete the app. We know that shit doesn't work. So have the onion mindset, know that it takes time, and if you're on your own, it will probably take you a lot of tries to actually get it right and actually reduce your screen time properly. So yeah, join the program. It will help you cut through all the misleading paths, and I guarantee results. So the next thing is, like the next advice that I wish I knew when I was first trying to quit social media. Fuck, my nose is so itchy. Is friction is not the solution. It is just a tool. What do I mean by that? Friction, okay, so first let me explain. What is friction? Friction is, for example, when you rub your hands together, they get warm. The reason why they get warm is because of this term called friction. If there are some science nerds out there, you'll probably be like, oh no, that's actually not right. Anyway, friction in terms of screen time means you deleting the app. Now for you to access the app, there's more friction. You'll need to download the app again and do this thing and that thing. Or you could set up an app timer or app blocker or something like that. That's friction. You could set up a long passcode to your phone, which I have on my phone. That's more friction. A lot of the screen time people out there, when I was like researching about it like 7-8 months ago, they were talking about, oh yeah, set up an app timer, app blocker on your phone. Bro, as I just said, bro, it's not the solution. It's just a tool. It's a tool towards changing your identity to becoming the person who doesn't scroll, but it's not the solution. Why? Why is it not the solution? As I just explained previously, when you delete Instagram, you go to the fucking refrigerator and you start scrolling. You'll find a way. You'll find a way, bro. You'll go to the other side of the planet just to fucking scroll. You'll find a way. Like, you'll find a way. Substitution is key. That is the last piece of advice that I'm going to give you in this video. I'm going to just quickly explain why substitution is key. We all have 24 hours in the day, except if, like, I don't fucking know, except if, I don't think there's any, like, outliers to this, bro. Everyone has 24 hours in the day, right? If you spend 4 hours of, like, let's say, I feel like a lot of the people that I'm helping, they have like 10 hours of screen time or some shit like that. You have more screen time than 4 hours a day, right? You have more screen time than that. And if you don't think that's true, bro, actually go check it. Go actually try and calculate the time that you waste on your PC. Go actually calculate the time that you spend on the TV, whatever. You have more time than 4 hours a day. Let's just say 8 hours a day, right? You have 8 hours of screen time that you're wasting every single day. How do you now, like, if you just like get rid of that, what now? Do you just now have 16 hours in the day? No, you still have 24 hours. But now 8 of those hours are not spent scrolling. So you have to fill up that time with something different. Now, what could you fill up your time with? Some people will say, I was on a call with this one guy, like really disciplined guy making money online. He was also young and everything like that. He was like, oh yeah, bro, I've like, I think he set up like, he deleted Instagram or TikTok or some shit like that, and he was scrolling on that. And then like when he's in the procrastinating mood, so I've come up with a bunch of terms. Bro, go look at my screen, go look at this channel, bro. I've posted for like 6 months consistently, bro. I don't know how I've been able to make this many videos about screen time, bro. I just find it interesting, let's just say that. Yeah, so he deleted like Instagram and TikTok and everything like that. And then he just started scrolling on Facebook Reels. As I said, if you want to, you will find a way because you're addicted as fuck. And I told him, oh yeah, bro, you need to substitute that with something. And his immediate answer was like, oh yeah, I'll substitute it with podcasts. Nah, bro, no, you won't. No, you won't. When you feel like scrolling and you tell yourself, oh, I'm gonna put on the podcast, you're not gonna do it. It's too difficult. You're not that guy. You're not that guy. Like, It's like, okay, fuck, I'm gonna have to explain this one concept as well. There is basically two different versions of you. There is the disciplined version of you, and then there is the procrastinating version of you. The disciplined version of you is probably the version of you right now. You are able to sit down, watch a video with no edits, with no fucking stimulation, with nothing. Nothing. That's the disciplined version of you. The disciplined version of you is the version of you who can sit down and actually do the work. It's the version of you who can actually like go to the gym and everything like that. The procrastinating version of you is, you kind of know it. Oh fuck, I want to procrastinate, and you don't say it consciously like that, but you're like a fiend. You're running around like, let's go to right. You're like fucking procrastinating. When you are that version of yourself, you cannot just like, oh yeah, I want to scroll, and then like put on a podcast and then sit calmly. No, you cannot do that. So you need to substitute it with something that is just slightly better than the short form content, like the Facebook Reels. So then you're like, oh yeah, I'll put on a movie instead, right? It's like, a movie is not bad. No, fuck, it's not good. It's not good. But it's better than scrolling short form content. And then that way we like substitute with something that's better. And then we can slowly cut it back until we're completely clean. The onion looks like a weird fucking ball, and then you're good. So again, I really think this will this will change your life. Click on the first and only link in the description. It's my product. It's a one-time purchase, and it is everything that you need to quit like your digital addictions. It's everything you need. It's really fucking cheap, and it is guaranteed to get you results. If you don't get the results that you want within 60 days, I will I messed up my words. I will mentor you one-on-one until you do. So yeah, click on the first link in the description, first and only link, and have a good rest of your day. See you, brother.